Presley, the principal here at Alice Drive Middle, and I'd like to welcome you to our open house. And we hate we can't be in person this year because of our COVID numbers, but we wanted to introduce you to our staff and some of the teachers on your child's team. Come on and join us.
Hi, my name is Eric Masaitis, and I am one of the assistant principals. My favorite thing to do here at school is to get into classrooms to observe our teachers teaching and students learning. And the goal here is to provide feedback so that everybody can get better and grow into the best version of themselves. But as an assistant principal, we wear many different hats here at school. So I could be working with disciplinary referrals, I could be providing supervision at different areas around the school, I could be making incentives for our students to help motivate them to become even better at what they do. We all are in this together, and all the administrators will all work together as a team. So if you need anything, you could reach out to any of us, and we just hope that this video provides something for everyone and you can feel just a little bit better for the rest of this school year. We know we can be successful together.
Good morning, I'm Mr. Fair, one of the administrators here at Alice Drive Middle School. I just want to say welcome to our open house. Like I said, I'm Mr. Fair, one of the administrators at Alice Drive Middle School. I deal mostly with boys discipline, but we do it all here. So whenever you need to reach out to me, please give me a call at 803-775-0821, extension 131. Looking forward to working with you. Have a great day.
Hi Hawks family, this is Dr. Thomas. This is my 12th year working in middle school, my first year here at Alice Drive Middle as assistant principal, and I'm very excited to be here this year and get this school year started.
Hello, I'm Ms. Brown, the lead here in the guidance department at Alice Drive. We are looking forward to a great school year. Parents, please be on the lookout for your parent portal information next week, so that way you'll be able to keep up with your students' progress. Then if you need to set up a conference, please feel free to give our guidance secretary a call at extension 110. And remember, we are here to support you in any way that we can.
Hey, welcome. I'm Miss Verno, the curriculum coordinator at Alice Drive Middle. Come on in. I'll be here to help you throughout this school year with any questions you have about your child's curriculum or anything else that you may need me for. You can call me at the school number, and I'm extension 118. It's going to be a great year.
Hi, I'm Ms. Russell, the nurse for Alice Drive Middle School. We are off to a great year. We want to keep our children safe. We're trying to follow all of our safety protocols. Please help us do that by keeping your kids at home if they are sick. If you do feel the need to get your children tested for COVID, please keep them at home until you receive a result, whether it be positive or negative. If you let the school know, those days will not count against the children if they are waiting on a result. But just help us to follow that and have a great year. Thank you.
Greetings, Alice Drive Middle School family. My name is Tanya Durham. I am the 8th grade Algebra 1 Honors teacher, and I'm delighted about our 2021-2022 school year. In Algebra 1 Honors this year, we will focus on functions, 3 different types of functions: linear functions, quadratic functions, and exponential functions. Algebra 1 Honors is an end of course exam course. So at the end of this school year, our students will be required to take a state test that will count towards their average for the year. I look forward to working with you guys this year. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Jessica Good, and I'm the Math 8 teacher for Alice Drive for the 21-22 school year. This year we'll be doing an introductory level to all high school math, and so we'll be covering linear functions and integers and solving equations with them. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to having a successful year with you and your Hawk.
Hi, my name is Patty Hansen. I teach English 1, where we learn about the horror genre, MLA in research writing, William Shakespeare, and my favorite, Edgar Allan Poe. I also teach a STEM vocabulary class where we learn about reading and literature while using STEM. And then I teach the Pro Team class, which is a leadership program here at Alice Drive Middle School, in hopes that we will have future student leaders. I look forward to teaching your child. It's going to be a great year.
Hi, my name is Rhonda Evans Montgomery. I am an 8th grade English Language Arts teacher. I also teach informational text for 7th and 8th grade. I'm so excited about our school year and all of our opportunities to learn more about informational text, literary text, and getting a chance to do lots of writing. I look forward to working with you and your student this year.
Hi, my name is Kate Payton and I teach 8th grade regular and honor science here at Alice Drive Middle School. This year, students are learning about force and motion, waves. They're learning earth science, which includes earth systems and resources, Earth's history, and about the solar system. If you need to contact me, you can contact me through email under catherine.payton@sumterschools.net, or please feel free to call the school. I'm at extension 161. Thank you.
All right, I'm Devin Barnes from Alice Drive Middle School, and I teach 8th grade science. This is my 16th year I've been here, and I've got up here just the directions for the students to set up their binder, and within that, these are the 5 sections that we're going to be studying this year. We're finishing up forces in motion, and we're going into waves, Earth system and resources, Earth's history and diversity of life, and then Earth's place in the universe. I'd be more than happy for you to contact me anytime you need to at devin.barnes@sumterschools.net, or you can call me at school and my extension is 153. Looking forward to teaching all of your children this year, and thank you for coming.
Hello, my name is Mr. Ferguson at Alice Drive Middle School. I teach 8th grade South Carolina history, and it's my privilege and honor to be able to teach your students this year about exciting events such as the American Revolution, the Civil War, the Great Depression, and even World War II, and how those impacted our home state of South Carolina. I really look forward to this year, getting to know your students and getting to know the parents as well, and if there's anything I can do not hesitate to reach out.
Hello everyone, my name is Chedrick Jones, aka Coach Jones, and I teach 8th grade social studies here at Alice Drive Middle School. Welcome to the 2021-2022 school year. In our class, we will be studying things like the colonization of South Carolina. We'll move on to the Revolutionary War. We'll study Civil War. We'll study Reconstruction. We'll do World War I, World War II. Those are the type interesting things that we'll be doing in my class this year. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. And hey, go Hawks.
Hello everyone, Michael Baer here, Alice Drive Middle School orchestra teacher. In the advanced class, we are focused primarily on turning these fundamentals that we've learned and enforced in the beginning and intermediate class into creating music, creating musicians, as opposed to just students who just simply play notes and rhythms and hope that things line up. This incorporates a whole new aspect of playing with the group and focus more on group growth than just necessarily individuals, although the individual is still extremely important, but the class time is focused more on the group activities. This will be the first year that we get to take our assessment, which is our standardized test for orchestra. We travel to get judged as a group, and that's myself, the whole entire group. We get a rating as a group, and it's just a cool, very cool process that takes a lot of preparation that we work toward through the entire year for that culmination, that event in March.
Hello, my name is Joseph Benninger and I'm the band teacher here at Alice Drive Middle School. In band class, we work on things such as leadership skills, literacy, and critical thinking, all through the medium of instrumental music performance.
Hello, my name is Ayana Tyler and I am the general music and choral teacher here at Alice Drive Middle School. I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to teach your children music this year. I'm someone who has always been passionate about music, so for me to be able to share the joy of music I have with your students is such a blessing to me. This year, some of the things we'll be learning in class is how to familiarize ourselves with note and pitch recognition, the values of those notes, and how to notate them individually on our own. We'll also discuss in class essential music terminology such as dynamics, articulations, and tempo, all very important things that we should learn in music. I am very, very excited about this school year. I'm looking forward to having fun in music, and I hope that your child enjoys being here. Thank you.
Hello, I am Miss Lakia Gaines and I teach Flight and Space here at Alice Drive Middle School. As a proud graduate of Sumter School District, I am excited to return back to Sumter to encourage the next generation of scholars. As so many exciting things are currently going on right now within our world for space, travel, and exploration, my students can anticipate learning more about the forces of flight, the different types of aircrafts and how they function and their purposes, going into their very own flight simulator that we have here at Alice Drive Middle School, designing and launching rockets, and exploring drones with some of our very own community program partners. I look forward to having a fun year with you all. Please stay safe, and I look forward to meeting you all. Have a great year.
Hey, so my name is Coach Davis and I work at Alice Drive Middle School. I teach 8th grade physical education. 3 of the components that we will be looking at this year will include high intensity interval training. We will also look at the fitness gram as well as the 5 components of fitness.
Welcome to Alice Drive Middle School. I'm Mrs. Watts. I teach 8th grade academic prep. My students are going to focus on making great progress on their IEP goals.
Hi, I'm Ms. Hoffman, the art teacher at Alice Drive Middle. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade art. Throughout the semester, students will learn a variety of drawing techniques, use different drawing and painting mediums, and learn about the elements and principles of design, along with various artists and art styles. I look forward to having a great year.
Hello, my name is Ms. Franklin. I'm from Alice Drive Middle School. I am the study hall interventionist. It is a pleasure to have your child in my class.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Snyder, one of the Project Lead the Way teachers. Project Lead the Way is an activity, project, and problem-based STEM curriculum that empowers students to become independent in the classroom and teaches them to collaborate with others while applying their skills to solve open-ended design problems. I teach 2 different courses and each of them lasts 1 semester. The first course, the Science of Technology, actually has 3 different courses within it. It focuses on 3 fields: applied chemistry, applied physics, and one of the newer engineering fields, nanotechnology. The second course is the magic of electrons. There, we examine what makes electricity possible, both static and current electricity, and we design circuits to solve problems, as well as learning to generate our own electricity.
Hi, my name is Alphine Carter. I am the French Computer Lab Manager. The student will log into Duolingo for the classroom assignment and work independently and have a great school year.
Hello, my name is Tamiko Wilson and this is my 3rd year here at Alice Drive Middle School. I teach CSI as well as medical detectives. Some of the topics that will be discussed in CSI are fingerprinting, how to appropriately search and photograph crime scenes, how to use deductive reasoning to solve crimes, as well as participate in various mock crime scenes. For medical detectives, which is a Project Lead the Way course, my students will learn how to collect and analyze medical data, and with that data, they'll learn how to diagnose diseases. They'll learn how to take vital signs, how to plate and grow bacteria, as well as the fun thing that all students love. They will get to perform a sheep brain dissection. I am looking forward to the new experiences this school year will bring. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Deborah Weston. I teach a computer science coding class to 7th and 8th graders here at Alice Drive Middle School. Students will be programming games and other interactive projects. Students will learn how to turn their games and projects into videos by using Screencastify. In addition, students will learn other digital skills such as making folders, organizing folders, and using Google Drive. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to work with your child this school year. I look forward to meeting or talking with you in the future.
Hello, I am Ms. Bear, and I teach 7th and 8th grade academic prep. In this course, we will focus on students' learning styles, as well as reading, writing, and math skills.
Welcome to Alice Drive Middle School's open house. My name is Jay Spann, and I teach the podcasting class here at the middle school. My students will be taught how to respect intellectual properties, and then as we get into podcasting, they're going to learn how to do an individual podcast, a podcast where they interview another classmate, and a conversation and debate podcast. They'll do 2 of each of those as we work our way through this semester. And at the end of the semester, there'll be a major project where they have to create a podcast of their own and of a structure of their own choosing. I really look forward to spending this time with your students, and I hope we have a great semester together. Thank you and have a great night.